Today we have to start with tax invoice of the services provided. This tax invoice includes the name and the address, who is providing the service, GST in means goods and service tax, investigation number, date, email address, that includes the mobile number and the invoice number. The services are given downside. For the services, they are giving the SCC code. SCC code means Services Accounting Code. The name of the food items are given, because if you go for the food junction, that time these types of the food items are there. The SCC code of the coffee is 9961. Rate in rupees is 20 rupees. Quantity, they will take one coffee. At that time, the taxable amount is equal to 1 multiplied by 20 is equal to 20 rupees. Then you have to find out the CGST. The rate of the CGST is 2.5%, and you will calculate CGST on taxable value. So CGST is equal to 2.5% of taxable amount. Taxable amount is, this is the taxable amount, 20 rupees is equal to 2.5% of 20 rupees. If you want to find out, if you will remove the percent sign, at that time divided by 100 will come. So 2.5 upon 100 multiplied by 20. You have to here you have to shift one decimal place. At that time this 100 becomes 1000, and you have to strike this 0. At that time this remain 25 to the 50 upon 100 is equal to 0.50 rupees, means 50 paise. Then the CGST they will charge is 0.50 rupees, means 50 paise they will charge the CGST. The rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. Amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST. Amount of SGST is equal to 0.50 rupees. Then second item, this SCC code of the masala tea is 9963. The rate in rupees is 10 rupees. Quantity is 1. If they will take one masala tea, at that time 1 multiplied by the rate is 10 is equal to, what you have to say, 10 rupees. The taxable amount is equal to 10 rupees. They will charge the GST on this taxable amount. So what you have to do? You have to say that you have to find out CGST. CGST, rate of CGST is 2.5%. 2.5% of taxable amount of, what you have to say, taxable amount. Taxable amount is 10 rupees. If you want to find out this 2.5% of 10 rupees, at that time you have to remove the percent and this becomes 2.5 upon 100 multiplied by 10. You have to shift this decimal place. This becomes 25 upon 1000 multiplied by 10. 1 0 you have to strike. At that time this will come 25 upon 100. You have to shift these two decimal places. At that time this becomes 0.25 rupees. 0.25 rupees means 25 paise. Means this CGST will come 0.25 rupees. The rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. The amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST is equal to, this will come 0.25 rupees. Then what you have to do? You have to see that the SCC code of the ice cream is 9962. The rate in rupees is 60 rupees. The quantity of the ice cream is 2. At that time taxable amount is equal to 2 multiplied by 60 is equal to 120 rupees. This is the taxable amount. And rate of CGST on this taxable amount is 2.5% of. 2.5% of, what you have to say, 120 rupees. If you want to find out 2.5% of 20 rupees, in this way you have to find out 2.5% of 120 rupees. You have to you remove the percent sign. At that time that becomes divided by 100. You have to shift the one decimal place. At that time that becomes 25 upon 1000. You have to strike the 1 0. 25 multiplied by 12 is equal to 300 upon 100. 100 ones are 100, 100 threes are 300 is equal to 3 rupees. CGST will come 3 rupees, 3.00 rupees. And here GST also come 3.00 rupees. Because rate of CGST is equal to rate of HGST, amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST. Then we have to find out the taxable, we have to find out the total value. Total value you have to find out. Total value includes the taxable value plus CGST plus HGST. This total value includes the taxable value plus CGST plus HGST. Then the taxable value of coffee is 20 rupees. 20 rupees plus CGST is 50 paise and HGST is equal to 50 paise. If you will add this at that time, the total value of the coffee will come 21 rupees, 21.00 rupees. 21.00 rupees will come. Then friends, you have to find out this total value of masala tea. The taxable value of the masala tea is 10 rupees. Plus you have to add this 0.25 rupees is the CGST and 0.25 is the HGST is equal to 10.50 rupees. 10 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 is equal to 10.50 rupees. Then you have to find out the total value of the ice cream. The taxable value of the ice cream is 120 rupees. Plus you have to add the CGST. CGST is equal to 3.00 rupees. Plus HGST is 3.00 rupees is equal to, this will come 126.00 rupees. 126.00 rupees. Then if you want to find out the total value, at that time what you have to do? You have to do the addition of this. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Then here 1 plus 0, 1 plus 6, 7. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And this one as it is. Then I will say that this grand total is equal to 157.50 rupees, means 157 rupees and 50 paise. This is the grand total including GST. This include the GST, means this include the taxable value and the GST. This include the taxable value and CGST and the HGST also. So in this way you have to find out the grand total of that tax invoice. Then you have to find out how much CGST he paid to the government, means he give how many CGST he paid. If you want to find out at that time, you have to do the addition of these three. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And 3 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 3 rupees 75 paise they are paying as a GST. And in the same way, you have to add these values, this plus this plus this. The amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST. 3 is equal to 3.75 rupees. This is the amount of CGST. This is the amount of HGST, and these are the taxable values of the coffee, masala tea, and the ice cream. In this way, you have to fill this tax invoice, and you have to find out the grand total or total value of the total values in the tax invoice. I think you understand all these things. You have to write all these things in the classwork notebook. Thank you.